Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Venus transit and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. But firstly, let me tell you about Venus. Venus is considered an auspicious planet in Vedic astrology. With this effect, you can get real, physical, and marital happiness. Therefore, in Vedic astrology, the planet Venus is considered to be a factor of material happiness, wedding prosperity, art, talent, beauty, romance, and fashion designing, etc. Venus is the lord of Taurus and Libra. This time, Venus will transit in Leo with from 17th of July 2021 to 11th of August 2021. So, dear friends, now let's begin the game of planet with positive hope. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. Your business unit and source of income will increase. For employed persons, respect and ability will increase at workplace. Unemployed person will see new opportunity on the door. Family life, love life will see new wave of happiness that make you stress free. For students, artists and player will get success with extra efforts. Now let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. If you want to expand or open new outlets, then this time is auspicious for you. Unemployed person will get a job above expectations. Sweetness in relationship will increase, which bring happiness in family life. Career related opportunity will make thrill in life. Skin or body pain related problems may arise, so be careful. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Creativity in business will bring profit, gains, and value addition. If you want to ask boss for promotion or transfer, then this time will give you success. Your children will become reason for happiness and peace and harmony. Married life and love life seems to be really very good. If you wish to travel, then wish will be fulfilled very soon. Now let's move to crab, that is Cancer. Business persons may see ups and downs in ventures, but smartness can tackle all the problems. Workload will increase at workplace, which will bring new opportunities. If you are planning for shopping, then this time will catch all the planning. Family atmosphere gives you more strength and hope. Learner will learn new skill, which gives you wide range of career options. Now let's move to lion, that is Leo. Your bonding nature of business gives you new project and income. While doing full-time job, you may get some extra source of income. With knowledge, you may see some rise in expectations, which give you better work. Mental stability of a student may be distracted, but meditation can help for better concentration. Traveling plans can be executed very soon. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. Problem in business may arise due to some invisible reason. Be careful. Working person will get the new way of career, which increase the expectations. While approaching economic point of view, you will see good earning. Some conflict may take places in the family due to misunderstanding. You will get rid of from health related issues very soon. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Effective strategy will make your business more attractive towards your clients. Your boss will see your performance and give you promotion or salary hike. Some disturbance will see in the family due to lack of communication. Social status will seems to be really very good. Your result of academic or any other field will be very good. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Business related like food and beverages, packaging, industrial product, mining, or processed food will set new goal and then will create path of success. This time is not auspicious for job change, but you can ask your demand to boss. Your valuable contribution in society will recognize at higher level. You should take care of health, otherwise you may face big problems. Students should not worried about upcoming exam. Everything will be okay very soon. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Your business competition will increase, but it will become positive marketing for you. By taking extra measures, you will get good amount of money. Some problems may be rise in the family life or marital life. Stomach pain, fever, headache related issues may increase, so take special care. You may see value level contact at the field of creativity. Dear friends, now let's move to goat, that is Capricorn. Your business may see some loss, but efforts of your team will never fail. Professional person will see crazy moments at the workplace. You should give attention at your economic status, otherwise problem can be seen. Family environment will become more peaceful and practical. Business travel may take place very soon. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. Contract, building material, hotel, motel, restaurant, marketing, business services will see good money profile. Unemployed person will see a ray of hope by getting job and professional inquiry. Economical and professional growth is possible. You should use words wisely, otherwise, you may face problems. Health related problems may arise due to junk or oily food. Dear friends, now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. Your business will deal with new clients, new project, and this will increase the brand value. Unemployed or employed both can get big offer from big company. Your learning power and earning power will increase. Your love partner or life partner will become stress saver for you. Travel related plans may get delay, but very soon big trip is waiting for you. Dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies for better result of Venus planet. Keep the roof of the house clean and well maintained. Offer white or cream cloth and perfume to a holy man on Friday. Plant Tulsi plant on Friday at home. Attain blessings of Venus by worshipping goddess Lakshmi. My dear friends, it was my analysis for Venus transit. At the end, all I want to say is never give up on a dream because your dream can make you powerful. Thanks for watching this video. Namaskar. Bye bye.